Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to show you on how to solve this kind of question. Actually, we have two examples, so this video might be long. Okay, now write this whole thing. Okay, 5 over x plus 2 squared x minus 2. Okay, equal as a partial fraction. So we have to figure out what is this. Okay, so first thing first, we have to make sure whether it's a proper or not. So this one, the power is 0. So this one is the highest power is this one, x squared. Okay, and then we multiply x power 1. So the degree is 3. Okay, degree is 1. Okay, so since the degree of numerator, the atas one is less than the denominator, therefore it is a proper. So no need to long division lah. Okay, now for this one, the next step is to factorize the denominator. Now what you can see already got factorized, so no need to do lah. So cantik already. Okay, good. So we can just figure out how many fractions that we are expecting. Okay, over here there are power 2, there are 2 brackets, so 2 fraction. This one, 1 bracket, 1 fraction. So in total we have 3 fractions. Okay, now maybe I use different color for this one. Okay, so let's copy paste this one first. So we have x minus 2. Okay, plus. Okay, and then the red one, this one, it has a special property. You see over there, it is a repeated factor. Repeated factor is a little bit different. Okay, so just copy paste. Okay, and then repeat the factor according to the power 1 by 1. What I meant was by that is that we copy first x plus 2 over here, and then the next one, the following one, we copy x plus 2 also with the increasing power. Okay, so that is why the name is repeated. Okay, now because okay, let's say if x plus 2 power 3, then there are 3 new fractions. The first one, x plus 2, x plus 2 squared. Okay, I said repeat. Okay, plus, repeat some more, x plus 2 power berapa? 3 power 3, like that. Okay, just example lah. Okay, so I rub this off. Okay, now, so settle with that. Now, we have to figure out the constants lah, the power of the numerator. We have to make each one of these proper. Okay, now for this one, denominator power 1, this one power 0. So don't know the coefficient, put A. For partial fraction, for repeated factor, the one I wrote in red, okay, you don't have to think about the power 1 here or atas power berapa. Okay, just put constant. Okay, so that's all lah, settle. Okay, next we have to write the we have to combine these 3. Okay, we can use the trick I shared in the previous video. Okay, is that we write what the variable don't have. Okay, now over here in this fraction, A already have x minus 2. Okay, by referring to this collection of brackets, okay, I padam lah this all red one. Okay, by referring all this, okay, the red box, okay, A don't have x plus 2 square. Because we want to complete the denominator, right? We want to make like this. So A still need x plus 2 squared. So how about B? B already have x plus 2. So over here we have what? We have 2x plus 2 and 1x minus 2. Okay, but B already got 1x plus 2. So B need 1 more x plus 2 and another x minus 2. Okay, now let's move on to C. C already got x plus 2 squared. Okay, already got, so no need. Only need x minus 2. X minus 2. Okay, so settle. Okay, I padam this one. Confuse more. Okay, so this one x lah. X pula 5. Okay, now next, oh yes, the everything lah, plus 2 square x minus 2. Okay, this one already combine, x plus 2 square x minus 2. Okay, and then we compare. Okay, so 5 equals a x plus 2 square plus b x plus 2 x minus 2 plus, alamak, I just realized I use letter C. I confused the C with a bracket. Okay, so instead I use different color, C x minus 2. Okay, so C x minus 2. Correct. Correct. Okay. Oh, I just realized that. Now, from this, we see the factors lah, I would say. The brackets, these 3 brackets. Okay, what we can say is that this whole thing can be 0 if x equals minus 2. Okay, while these 2, okay, can be 0 if x equals 2. So we can let x equals 2. So we have 5 equals a 2 plus 2 squared. Now, since x equals 2, okay, so this one and this one will be 0. Okay, so plus b 0 plus c 0. Okay, so we have berapa ni? 2 plus 2, 4 square 16 lah. Walau. Okay, so a is 5 over 16. Okay, settle. So we proceed, let x equals minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So if it's minus 2, then 2 apa pula? 5. Okay, 5 equals a. This one also 0. This one also 0. This one also can be 0. Yes. Okay, so 0. Okay, and then plus b 0 plus c minus 2 minus 2. Okay, and then we have 5 equals minus 4c. Therefore c is minus 5 over 4. Okay, now as we can see over here, we already use up all the value of x that we can substitute inside the brackets in order to make it 0. So what we have to do now is just pick any x, okay, and substitute left hand side and right hand side. So in this case, I want to make it easy, substitute 0. Okay, please avoid please avoid substituting fractions, okay, decimal, okay. It will make your calculating life harder. So a kosong plus 2 square plus, I make it smaller lah, difficult to write also. Okay, b we know already, right? B lah we want to figure out. Okay, sorry. A already know. Okay, so 5 equals minus 5 over 16. Okay, and then b we don't know, but substitute 0 plus 2, and then 0 minus 2 plus c we know already, 5 minus 5 over 4, 0 minus 2. Okay, so left hand side is 5, and then this one is 4, so minus 5 over 4 plus minus 2b. minus 2b, yes. And then this one, minus 2 plus 5 over 2. Correct lah. Correct. Or better still, I just retain the 4. Yes. Okay. So, 2b positive, and then minus 5 over 4 plus 10 over 4 is 5 over 4. Okay, and then minus 5. Okay, so what we have is over 4 minus 20. 5 over 4 minus 20 over 4. So, minus 15 over 4 to b. Therefore, b is minus, bring over that 2. So, 15 over 18. Walao, why the number is so big? Oh well. Okay. Now, okay, I grab this all. Okay, the partial fraction form, and then we substitute the values of a, b and c appropriately according to their location. Okay, so I get rid of this first. So over here we already got b, so I put b first. B is minus 15 over 18. Okay, and then c is what? C 54 minus 5 over 4. Okay, 5 over 16. A is 5 over 16. Okay, make it nice. Okay, remember, put the number in front of the bracket of the whole denominator. Okay, or negative. Okay, and then 15 over 18 bracket x plus 2. Okay, minus 5 over 4 x plus 2 squared. Okay, so this is the partial fraction. Okay, so let's proceed to the next example. Okay, this one. So first thing first, let's have a look. Power 1. This one we multiply, we get x cubed. So degree 3, this is degree 1. So degree 1 over degree t is proper. So no need long division. Next, we have to factorize the denominator. Okay, so x plus 2 over x minus 1. X squared minus 3x plus 2. I think this whole thing can factorize also. So x plus 2, x minus what? X minus 1. And then these two factorize to be x, and then 2, 1, minus. Oh yes, correct. Okay, now, so this is the factorization that we get. Okay, x plus 2 over x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1. Okay, now, this is also the famous form of question that you might get, okay? Because most of you will get confused. Most of you will right away break it up into partial fraction. Allah. Ayo, okay. Like this. You will do straight away like this, okay? Which is wrong, okay? Because why? Because do you see these two things over here? Okay, they are the same thing, right? When they are the same thing, we can group them together, okay, to be this. Yes. Now, when you see something like this, what do we call this? This is what we call repeated factor. Okay, now when we have repeated factor, when we get the repeated factor, what we have to do is, let's write everything, okay, over here, x minus 2. Now, this is repeated factor, then we have to express it as a fraction with multiple factors. Okay, they have the same factor, but the first one is power 1, Okay, the second one is power 2. Okay, so we've done with that. Okay, then we proceed with this one. This is the third fraction that we are expecting. Okay, so x minus 2. Okay, so for repeated factor, the numerator is special, so it's just a constant. Okay, and then while for this one is power 1, so the possible must be power 0. So we decided to have C. Okay, let's proceed. Now x plus 2 over x minus 1 squared x minus 2. Okay, now we want to make these three fraction as 1. Okay, how to do that? Just look at A. Now A already has x minus 1, so A need 1 more x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, and then B already have x minus 1 squared, so what B needs is x minus 2. Okay, plus C already has x minus 2, so what C needs is x minus 1 squared. Okay, and then we've done with the addition of the fractions. Okay, now we can compare. Yeah? Compare because these two are just the same thing. Yeah? So x plus 2. Okay, A x minus 1 x minus 2 plus B x minus 2 plus C x minus 1 squared. Okay, now this circle, okay, these two circles, green circle, can be 0 if x equals 1. Okay, while the one that I've circled in blue can be 0 if x equals 2. So we can use this information to help us to simplify the equation. So we just substitute x by 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2. Now the green ones will be 0. So A 0 plus B1 minus 2. And then green lah. So C 0. Okay, so here is 3. So we have B 1 minus 2 minus 1. So we have B minus 3. Okay, we have B as minus 3. Now let's proceed with the second value. Okay, we let x equals 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 equals, now when we substitute x equals 2, the blue brackets will be 0. So A will be 0 plus B will be 0 plus C. C won't be, the bracket is green circle, so it won't be 0 because we substitute by 2. So 2 C2 minus 1 square, 2 minus 1 square, C1 lah. So C is 4. Okay, now as you notice, we already circle all the brackets and then we use up all the possible x value that will make the brackets 0. So what we can do next is just let the value of x with something else. Okay, so I'm going to let x to become 0. Okay, because it's easy to calculate. So 0 plus 2 equals A. A is the one that we want to find. So 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Plus B. B is minus 3. Okay, x minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, and then C. C is, we already know, 4. Okay, and then 0 minus 1 squared. Okay, so we're going to solve this. So 2 equals A minus 3A lah. Minus 3A and then plus 6. That one plus 4. Okay, so 10. So 10 over here 3A. 3A and then 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, so A is 8 over 3. Why got Why got weird numbers some more? I don't think that's the answer. Let me check. 8/3. Wrong. Wrong. It's not supposed to be that value. Okay, let's see. -3 and 4. I want to substitute 0. Okay, 0 B 0 0 4. Did I make a mistake? Correct lah. Plus 6 some more. Okay, maybe I pause the video for a while to find my mistake, yeah. Ayo, multiply also wrong. Okay, it's not 3, it's 2. Okay, so 4 lah here. 4 apa? 2. Ayo. Okay, so 4. Okay, so A is 4, B is -3, and C is 4. Okay, so 4. I think I made a mistake, did I? Oh, it's a minus. And then -4. Okay, now, so what's the expression here? Okay, copy everything. Okay, copy. And then we paste it here. And then we substitute all the values of A, B, and C that we know of. Okay, now, A is -4. Okay, A is -4. B is -3. Okay, B is -3. And C is 4. Okay, C is 4. Okay, so maybe we rewrite it, okay, to be like this. Okay, 3/x - 1 squared plus 4/x - 2. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your keen attention and thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.